Nigga, can you see it? Oh shit, we right here in the stand. Gravel shit.
Let's put it over here. Where that thing for? You have to look pro, bro. You have to look pro.
I know, this fucking national. Backyard. Alright, tell me when you can see me good. My whole body. Alright there?
Right there.
That's good. It's perfect. Perfect. Fuck you up. Fuck you up.
Not hard, nigga.
I'm not. You just don't hit me hard. This is representing Zent Rep. So you want this side or you want this side? I'll take this side.
This one over there. Right there.
Right here?
Right there.
Toe to the
Fuck. Son,
There you are. Back up a little bit. And you can
Is
see.
that still too far?
That's good.
Alright, come on.
Yes.
Toe to
When you
toe.
get?
I see bodies moving.
Now come right here, Travis.
Is this too close?
No, that's too close to cutting your head off.
I mean, right here, like that in the
Keep
sun.
going. Well, right there.
Yeah, but
Right
it's
there.
in the sun.
Okay. Come on. I'm in the sun. You ain't in the sun.
Not hard, nigga.
I'm hard.
No.
Wiener size. You good? You seeing it?
Yeah?
Alright, hit record.
It's already recording.
Oh, okay. You just cut the other section, so.
Huh?
What? Hey, what's up with that leg?
Which one?
Oh, spread out.
That's support leg.
For a knockout.
No, that's just Come on, Kelly.
Oh, man, shit. Easy.
Man, easy. No, why you in my body, huh? You wanna do that? No. Come on, son. Come on. Fucking tiger, that's it. I don't know about that, Chris, huh? He backed up, Oh, he hurt us though. Come on! I want to get at it. Oh! I was coming for you. I was coming for you. I believe. Come on! You go down on me for it. You head pop. What's wrong with you? You trying to spear me.
No, I don't know. Get up in there.
Yeah, you have to get up in it.
Huh?
I'm doing old folk style.
Not
That's how they
hard.
used to do it, wasn't it?
Not hard. Come on now.
That's the old folk style. You don't know nothing about that. Ain't it new? I seen a lot of old people fight like that. They just
Let's
like
watch the
that.
video. Hold on.
Oh, yeah.
My head kind of hurting right now.
No, this shit's not hard. All it was just swinging back up. Swinging back up.